Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel, Dad Mods Watches. Well, I mentioned a while back I was going to give a long-term review on the StrapXPro straps for the new 5KX and the new SSK GMTs. Well, here it is. I've been wearing this steadily for almost a month now, and it's just gotten more comfortable. I mean, I really like this strap. If you watched my other video, I'll put a link to it up here. I don't like straps. I've always preferred my watches to be on a metal band. So I am very happy to report back that this is great. Absolutely great. Like I say, it's just gotten more comfortable. But what we're also here today for is I received a package. I ordered some more straps. I wanted one for this guy, and I wanted a couple for a couple builds that I have in mind. So I checked the mail today, and things arrived. I am super excited. So let's dig in and see what we have. Let's see. Oh, I like that. That yellow is popping. That looks super sharp. I love that, and I want that to go with this case. I have something in mind for this guy with that gray silver bezel and that strap. I think that's going to look great. Okay, definitely happy with that. Let's see. So straps, free clasp, because these guys are awesome, and spring bars. Everything I need. Awesome. I love the yellow. I'll leave those out because those are super awesome. I like that. What else we got? Ooh. Black clasp. Spring bars, of course. And the black green. I love that too. That's gorgeous. That is going for another build that I have in mind. Yeah, come here. Stop playing with me here. That green works. Green works great. Black and green for this build. I love that. Excellent. I think that's super flash. Very excited. Let's see what else we got. Black. Oh, the blue one. Perfect for that watch. That's exactly what I wanted for this guy. I love these StrapXPro straps. Very, very nice. And a silver clasp. Yep, silver clasp. That's for that one. My favorite part that I saw was this. Thank you, Garen. You didn't need to do this, but that's really super nice of you and super cool of you guys to do that. They threw in an extra an extra strap for me. You know, they didn't have to do that. I purchased the straps, and I was intending to purchase the straps. But they threw in an extra one for me anyway. And I really do appreciate that, Garen. Thank you, buddy. You're a super good guy. Garen is the director at StrapXPro. Him and I have been in contact a little bit through email. And he's a super good guy. I enjoy talking to him. There's the black strap. Well, that's awesome. I think at the moment... Oh, look at that. I didn't expect that. That is flash. Oh, now I really need to think up something special to put this one on. Well, I'm not going to do any installations in this video. I'm going to save that for another video. I just wanted to do this one as a real big thank you to Garen and everybody else from StrapXPro. Thank you so much for the extra gift. And again, thank you for just an amazing product. I'm really loving your straps, guys. Keep up the amazing work. I can't wait to see what else you come up with. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.